I'm Dr. Mabrok. I want to talk to you about liposuction today. You know, liposuction referred to as liposculpture or body contouring. The goal being to improve the contour that has been lost over the years. You know, with weight gain, weight loss, pregnancies, changes in body habits and age, we have areas that fat just deposits and you can't get rid of it with exercise. This is where liposuction comes in. It's not for weight loss, it's for contouring. We can treat almost any part of the body that needs to be improved. But there are different techniques. The one that I prefer is the tumescent technique. We also have the ultrasonic liposuction. The idea being that the combination reduces the blood loss, improves the outcome of the surgery, and it makes it much safer. Liposuction is also an outpatient surgery. It can be anywhere from an hour to 2.5 hours, and we can treat almost any part of the body during that time period. You can expect to spend about 3 to 4 hours in our office. Again, everything is done in our fully approved surgery center by a board-certified anesthesiologist. Everything is done with you completely comfortable and sleep during the surgery. The pain is well controlled, activity levels, you can get back to normal activities within 3 to 4 weeks after the surgery.